Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this ghost coaster. To start, make a magic circle, chain 3, then put 11 double crochets in the magic circle. Your chain 3 at the beginning counts as your first double crochet. Slip stitch into the top of the third chain. For round 2, chain 3, double crochet in the same stitch as the chains, then double crochet increase in the next 11 stitches. For all the rounds, including this one, you're going to slip stitch to join. For round 3, chain 3 and double crochet in the same stitch. Then double crochet and double crochet increase, and repeat that all the way around. At the end of row 3, you should have 36 double crochets, including that first chain 3. For round 4, chain 3 and double crochet in the same space. Then do 2 double crochets and a double crochet increase, and repeat that 7 times. Then single crochet and single crochet increase 5 times. For round 5, chain 1, single crochet in the next 4 stitches, chain 3, slip stitch into the second chain from the hook, single crochet in the next chain, then slip stitch into the next stitch on the body, repeat that 11 more times. Chain 3, slip stitch into the second chain from the hook, single crochet into the next chain, then slip stitch into the next stitch on the body. Repeat until you have 12 little spikes on the bottom. Finish off and then sew in the 2 tails. Next we're going to work on the eyes. Make a magic circle with 6 single crochets in it, slip stitch to the first single crochet you made, and then fasten off. Make a second eyeball the same way. For the mouth, make a magic circle with 8 single crochets in it. Then sew all your pieces to the body of the ghost. And there you have your super easy ghost coaster. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!